Welcome to Biz Control, your all-in-one solution for mastering business operations. In this video, we'll show you how to easily manage leave requests directly through the app. First, let's see how a staff member can apply for leave. Simply log in, navigate to your profile, and select Request Leave. Enter your preferred dates, choose the leave type, and provide a short reason for your request. Once you save the details, your request is submitted instantly. Now, let's look at how the employer can manage these requests. From the Business Account dashboard, select HR Management. Then tap on Pending Leave Requests. Here, you can view each staff member's request individually. You can review the details and with a simple click, choose to either approve or disapprove the application. Once updated, the status is saved and the employee can see the final decision in their own portal. Managing your team's attendance and leave has never been this simple. Download Biz Control today on the App Store or Google Play Store and take complete control of your business.